Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, let's see how can you fix your Roku no signal when you have tried everything. So here's a full troubleshooting guide. Stay tuned till the end of the video. Fix 1. Confirm the TV is actually on. Press a button on your Roku remote to confirm the TV isn't just in standby or screensaver mode. Fix 2. Check if you are on a GFCI outlet. Press the reset button on the electrical outlet to restore power cutoff during a surge or outage. Fix 3. Connect directly to the TV. Bypass soundbars or AVR devices by plugging your player directly into the TV's HDMI port. Fix 4. Check and replace the HDMI cable. Ensure the cable is secure on both the ends or swap it out to rule out a physical wire fault. Fix 5. Select the correct TV input. Use a TV remote to cycle through inputs, pausing 10 seconds on each to allow video detection. Fix 6. Try a different HDMI port and a different TV. Move to another port on the TV or test a Roku on a second TV to isolate the hardware issue. Fix 7. Disconnect and reconnect all the cables. Disconnect and reconnect all power and HDMI cords, including streaming sticks from the TV port. This forces a clean hardware reset and reinitializes the full digital handshake from scratch. Fix 8. Factory reset your Roku device. Hold the physical reset button or pin hold on the back panel of your device for exactly 12 seconds. For Pro or Plus series lacking reset keys, hold both power and Find My Remote for 12 seconds. Wait for the indicator status LED to blink rapidly to confirm the reset process is complete. Keep your account credentials ready to link the system again during the guided setup. Fix 9. Force a reset if you can't access the menu. Locate the physical reset button recessed in a groove on the back panel of your Roku TV. For Pro Series, hold both the Roku remote button and power button on the right side for around 5 seconds. Alternatively, press and hold the TV's physical power button down for 10 seconds to force a reset. Fix 10. Use your recovery mode. This is your last resort. Reinstall the underlying television operating system during the built-in system recovery mode. This is the most invasive system repair option and should be done only when all other resets fail. Follow the on-screen firmware update prompts carefully to complete the fresh OS installation. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.